The next section deals with averages. So what is an average? It will be the sum of some items divided by the number of items, right? So that is the basic formula or the basic concept, or maybe the only concept that is there in this section. Average equal to sum of n items divided by n, which is the number of items. Okay, so now let's look at an example. The average salary of 10 clerks and the manager of a firm was 90 Indian rupees. The present manager was to be replaced by a new one, and the salary of the present manager was 300 Indian rupees. The average salaries of all now come to 85 Indian rupees. What is the new manager's salary? So there are 10 clerks and there is a manager, and the average salary of all of them was 90 rupees. Okay, and now the present manager, his salary is given and he was replaced by a new one, and now the average salary becomes 85 rupees. We have to find out what is the new manager's salary. Let's see the options. It is 225 Indian rupees, 235 Indian rupees, 245 Indian rupees, and 250 Indian rupees. Okay, now let's see how to solve this question. So what is given? Salary of 10 clerks. So it's not given. Salary of 10 clerks is not given. So we assume it as C Indian rupees. Okay, just any variable, we are taking it as C. Now what is the salary of the present manager? That is given. It is 300 rupees. So the total average salary that is also given. It is 90 rupees. So how do you get the total average salary? We take the sum of salaries of these 10 clerks and the present manager divided by 11. How did you get 11? It is 10 clerks plus the present manager. So it is 11. Okay, so how do you write it in the form of an equation? It is C plus 300 divided by 11. That will be equal to 90, which is the total average salary. From this, you can get the value for C. What is it? C equal to 690 Indian rupees. That is, the salary of 10 clerks is equal to 690 rupees. Now, in the question it is given, the present manager is replaced by a new one. His salary is not known. And when this new manager comes in, the salary of these 10 clerks and the new manager, the average salary becomes 85 rupees. Earlier it was 90 rupees. Now it becomes 85 rupees. So, how do you get that? The salary of the new manager, as I already said, it is not given. So, we assume it as M. Just for assigning sake, we are taking it as the variable M. So, how do you formulate the equation? It will be C plus M by 11, right? The 10 clerks salary plus present manager's salary. Or the present manager means the one that has been included now. That is the new manager. So, C plus M divided by 11 equal to 85. So, from this, we know the value of C already, which will be 690. So, what is the value for M? M is 245 Indian rupees. That is, the answer is C.